So, so I'm editing. I can't even get this. I can't even get this. I'm editing one of her videos, and she's curled up in my hand, sucking on my thumb. Not her own, but mine. I can't get this very well because I'm trying to film with one hand and hold her with the other. But I just had to show you. Look at that. She's got 4 of her own thumbs, and she wants to use mine. Oh my goodness. But she loves watching herself on the TV or on the monitor. She loves it. Hi, Frankie. Alrighty. I gotta get back to editing. I just had to show this because it's just too darn cute. Leave her alone. She's chilling. Sucking on Mommy's thumb.